Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest episode on the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft EU Pro getting rid of the traction and the ABS warning light in this Audi vehicle here. Now the tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll put a link to the Amazon listing. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post on this tool, which gives all of the latest information, reviews, hints, tips and guides for the product. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port. As you can see, we've got the traction and the ABS light here. Don't worry about the park and brake light, that's because the park and brake's on. So we're going to click into diagnostics and we're going to find our vehicle. So first of all, it's an Audi. Once you've selected the Audi manufacturer, you can either select a specific vehicle or a specific section or system you wish to diagnose. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to diagnose the braking system and show you the fault code that we've been getting. So brake control module is the ABS system according to this tool. Different vehicles might have different terminologies. Ultimately though, it's gonna be the braking system. Read fault code. So the fault code we've been getting was 00290, electrical fault in circuit, ABS wheel speed sensor, rear left. This fault here has been triggered because of the ABS sensor. We've done live data tests on the ABS sensor. It's coming back that it's not giving any signal at all. So we put a new ABS sensor in, and which is pretty simple to do, but obviously we've still got the warning lights on the dashboard. Sometimes the warning lights will go out automatically, but the fault code would remain. Sometimes you'll need to actually use the tool to reset the fault codes and the warning lights. That's what we're going to have to do here. So we'll click on clear fault memory, and when I click, I'll click OK here. It's going to erase the fault codes, erase operation done. Now unlike say the check engine or the ABS system, the airbag system, the lights won't go out straight away. What you need to do is back out of the ABS system or the braking system on this tool, and then you'll see the lights turn off. So keep an eye on the dashboard as I back out of the ABS system. And there we go, the warning lights have gone off. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft EU Pro. And as I say, this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll put the link to the Amazon listing. I'll also put the link to the latest blog post on this particular tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.